Hi everyone, I'm Sharon.
I'm B. Sriharini.
We are from Sri Jindra Golden Jubilee School.
We are of class 11.
Our project is about RFID based on attendance system. Let us look at the project. Radio frequency identification based on attendance system can be used to take attendance for students in schools, colleges, and employees in working places. RFID technology is designed to allow objects, animals, and even human beings to be identified, located, and tracked using radio frequency signals.
This technology has been developed over the years and is now used in a wide range of applications. Let us look at what we need. This is PIC microcontroller. They are electronic circuits that can be programmed to carry out the vast range of tasks. And this is two-channel relay board. This module contains two relays that are electrically isolated from the controlling part.
And connecting wires, it allows electric current to travel from one point to another on an electrical circuit. Let us demonstrate it.
Let us consider this as the student. When the student crosses the IR sensor, it shows an increase in the student count by 1 on the LCD display. It asks the student to keep the fingerprint. Now let us keep the fingerprint. Each and every student has a fingerprint Each and every student has a fingerprint. It is also called biometric identification. It scans and verifies the student fingerprint and displays the student register number.
The student's attendance will be sent as a message to their parents or guardian's phone number. When the students leave the school, the total progress will be reversed and the students' count will decrease. The parents will receive the message that their ward has left the school. All the information will be stored as a data in a school PC. Till now, we see the first level of the object, which is already used in some schools. We are going one step further. Till now, we saw the first level of the project, which is already used in some schools. Here we are going one step further.
There is a biometric scanner in every room. As soon as the student enters or leaves the classroom, it is recorded and the LCD display will show the student who are absent. This data will be cross-verified in the school office. Suppose a student enters the school but bunks the class. This problem can be identified and checked.
Also, latecomers to class after interval will be recorded. This will help to improve disciplines in the school.
Now let us see the system benefits of RFID technology. Provide secure and automatic attendance. It was helpful in schools, colleges, universities, etc. It helps in tracking the student attendance in schools. It also shares us an interaction and communication from school to home. Thank you.
Thank you.